Your hands are your most valuable tool when you're laying down beads or tackling a heavy fabrication project, and you're most exposed. Trying to get away with a cheap pair of gloves means you're constantly battling fatigue, losing dexterity, or worst of all, risking a serious burn from spatter and extreme heat. That's why a premium pair of welding gloves is not just safety gear, it's an essential piece of equipment that boosts your comfort and your quality of work. They provide the critical heat and abrasion resistance while actually allowing the feel and flexibility you need for a clean, consistent weld. So in this video, I'm going through the 6 best welding gloves that deliver professional-grade protection and performance for every type of welder. These gloves not only shield you from high temperatures and sparks, but also feature high-quality leather, Kevlar stitching, and ergonomic designs that reduce hand strain during long sessions. Whether you just need something thin and high dexterity for precise TIG work, or the toughest long cuff gauntlets with superior heat resistance for heavy-duty MIG and stick welding, I'll have something for everyone. You'll find links to the best prices for all the welding gloves mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these welding gloves aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Tycon Heat and Fireproof Welding Gloves. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. These gloves are built to handle heat up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for something in this price range. It has a 3-layer design, thick, heat-resistant cowhide leather on the outside, aluminum foil insulation in the middle, and a soft cotton lining inside that keeps your hands cool and comfortable even when you're working near flames. Plus, they feel very sturdy yet flexible. The Kevlar stitching on all the stress points adds extra toughness, so they don't tear or wear down easily. The inside cotton layer keeps things breathable, and the gloves still have enough dexterity to grab tools or work with small parts. They're also extra long at 16 inches with 7.5-inch sleeves that give your forearms solid protection from sparks, steam, and hot debris. Plus, the elastic cuff keeps them from slipping off while you're working, which is a small thing but very handy. And they're not just for welding. You can also use them for barbecues, fireplaces, forges, or even gardening if you're dealing with sharp or hot tools. This is what Abram wrote. I'm only a student in a basic welding class, but these are working out great for me. I accidentally used my gloved hand to hold down my workpiece while brushing the slag off and smelled the leather singeing. I didn't feel the heat inside at all. They were fairly stiff out of the box, but with a couple hours work have softened up quite a bit. Overall, the Tycon welding gloves are an easy pick if you want solid fireproof protection without spending big. Number 5 is the WZQH leather welding gloves. These are the best leather welding gloves on our list. If you're looking for a solid mix of toughness and heat protection, these gloves are it. These gloves are made from genuine cowhide leather, which gives them a thick, yet not too stiff, feel. Inside, you'll have 3 layers of protection, a layer of cowhide on the outside, a heat-reflective aluminum foil and flame-retardant cotton in the middle, and a soft insulated cotton lining inside. Together, these layers can handle temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great at this price point. They're also very durable. The leather is about 1.2 millimeters thick, and the reinforced stitching across the palms and fingers helps keep them from tearing or wearing down, even with heavy use. You can feel how solid they are right away, but they still let you move your fingers easily, which makes welding, grilling, or even working around a fire much simpler. And they are 16 inches long with 7.5-inch cuffs that provide great forearm protection against sparks, hot steam, or flying debris. Whether you're welding, working in a forge, grilling, or just handling your fireplace, these hold up really well. Plus, they're not limited to just welding. You can also use them for BBQs, ovens, camping, or even gardening. Overall, the WZQH gloves offer that rare combo of comfort, heat protection, and long-lasting leather quality without the big price tag. Number 4 is the Superior Precision Arc Glove. These are the most premium welding gloves on our list. If you do a lot of precise work like TIG welding, where you need full control and feel, these gloves are made for that. They're made from soft goatskin leather, which gives you a fine touch and flexibility that thick cowhide gloves usually can't. You can grip your torch or filler rod comfortably without feeling restricted. Inside, there's a para-active liner, which adds a layer of cut protection all around your hand. It's rated ANSIA 2 for cuts, level 3 for puncture resistance, and level 3 for heat protection. It means you're covered against sparks, hot metal, and sharp edges. And the 625 grams of cut resistance means they can handle pretty tough jobs without wearing out fast. The gloves also have extended gauntlet cuffs, so your wrists get extra protection from heat and flying sparks. And since they're made for TIG and fine MIG welding, they keep your hands cool and comfortable, even during long sessions. They're also not bulky or heavy, which is why many pros swear by goatskin over thicker leathers. Jeff puts it as, "These are the best gloves I've found so far, and at a reasonable price. Great material, sturdy, but provide a great sense of feel and protection at the same time. I highly recommend these gloves overall. If precision and comfort matter to you, the Superior Precision Art gloves are absolutely worth it." And if you want to know the latest prices for the welding gloves discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Repica welding gloves. These are the best forge-grade welding gloves on our list. These gloves can tackle serious heat up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes them perfect for blacksmithing, forging, or even working around open flames. They also have a triple layer build: a thick, fire-resistant leather exterior, a middle layer of insulating aluminum foil, and a soft, flame-retardant cotton lining on the inside. And with a 16-inch length and 7.5-inch sleeves, they keep your forearms safe from sparks, hot coals, or flying metal bits. Comfort-wise, the cotton lining is breathable. It absorbs sweat and keeps your hands cooler while you work. There's also reinforced padding on the palms and thumb, which gives you more control when holding tools or hot materials. And due to Kevlar stitching, these gloves won't come apart anytime soon. You can do stick, MIG, or flux core welding with these gloves, but you can also use them for stuff like BBQ, fire pits, wood stoves, or even handling dry ice. And the price is surprisingly fair. Overall, these gloves promise forge-level protection, solid durability, and comfort that lasts through long, hot sessions. Number 2 is the TAU-PDC welding gloves. This is the best value for money option on our list. These gloves are made from 100% split cowhide leather, about 1.2 millimeters thick, which gives them a tough feel while letting you move your hands easily. Inside, there's a soft cotton lining that keeps things comfortable, even if you're wearing them for hours. It also absorbs sweat and stays breathable, so your hands don't feel like they're trapped in an oven. And speaking of heat, these gloves can handle up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. It means they're great for MIG, TIG, or stick welding, but also for things like forging, BBQ, stoves, ovens, or even handling hot tools like other options on our list. The reinforced Kevlar stitching adds serious durability, especially around the fingers and palms where most gloves wear out first. Plus, they are versatile. You can also use them for multiple tough handling tasks since the leather is thick enough to resist scratches or bites. And price-wise, they are a steal considering the build quality. So if you want something tough, heat-proof, and comfortable for the price, the TAU-PDC welding gloves are a solid pick. Number 1 is the Yes Welder Leather Forge MIG welding gloves. These are the best overall welding gloves on our list. When it comes to protection and flexibility, these gloves nail the balance. These gloves can handle heat up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're MIG welding, handling hot metal, or even working around a forge, your hands are protected. Plus, they are very comfortable. The inside has a soft cotton lining that adds a layer of heat resistance, but still keeps your hands cool during long sessions. And the bottom of the glove is unlined, which gives you better control and grip, so you can move your hands naturally without feeling like you're wearing oven mitts. And because they're made with top grain and split leather, double-stitched with Kevlar thread, and reinforced around all the high wear areas like the fingers, palms, and thumbs, these won't wear out easily, even if you're using them daily. The design also includes a keystone thumb and seamless index finger, which helps a lot with comfort and precision, especially if you're working on smaller or detailed welds. Plus, they're 16 inches long, so your forearms also get an extra bit of protection from sparks or heat. Jamie puts it as 5 stars because they are what I was looking for, gloves without elastic or Velcro, both of which serve zero purpose other than being annoying on gloves. If you wear XL, these, though, think will fit like a TIG welding glove, aka snug, but honestly, they were molded just for me. Thick leather, stitched well, and a very nice liner. After they stretch, they will be perfect. Overall, if you want welding gloves that feel tough but move easily, the YESWELDER ones are hands down the best overall pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect welding gloves. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each welding glove. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.